있으면. Today I'm going to make a creamy avocado lemon wasabi dressing. Avocados are super healthy fruit. Normally we add avocados to our salad or make guacamole. Why not make an alternative avocado based creamy dressing? Again, it is super simple to make but super healthy and super tasty. Let's begin. So to make a avocado lemon wasabi dressing, you need very ripe avocados and lemon and some wasabi, or you can use chili if you want to. So I happen to have wasabi, so I'm using wasabi. And when I need, I will use Sriracha, homemade Sriracha. I will show you. When I add this dressing to my salad, I will add Sriracha. So let's begin. So twist them. Oh, that's very good. See? It's going to be very creamy and nice. Avocado is such a amazing fruit. It has lots of minerals, and it is fat, but it is good fat, so which we need. Lots of omega-3s and many different types of minerals. Now I will add lemon juice. This is quite big lemon, so I might use one just. We'll see. This lemon juice. Ooh. I will use another half of this lemon. Ooh, lots of seed. Wow, this is big lemons. It's hard to squeeze them. Lemon squeeze is not easy. Oh well, I will use all of this. So now, wasabi I mix with the water. I use wasabi powder. When I need, I just mix with the warm water. So this is about teaspoon wasabi and half teaspoon sea salt and pepper. And I'm using nutritional yeast. I use this for vitamin B6. Vegans can't get the vitamin B6 because we don't eat meat. I'm using it time to time, so in this case I will use 2 tablespoons. So here I have 3 cloves garlic. So all ingredients are in and just blend it. So it's all done. Beetroot, fennel, carrot and cucumber. And this is cauliflower and asparagus. Asparagus is seasonal at the moment. Wow, this is really creamy. So you can add either vinegar or more lemon, or you can add water if you want to be thinner. Instead of cheese sauce, I use avocado sauce. For salad dressing, I will add more lemon. It's up to you, this consistency, you can adjust yourself. The avocados has a good fat, but I like it, break it down a little bit. So put on asparagus, little bit decoration. I'll add a little bit of Sriracha on cauliflower. It is all done. It was super quick and easy to make. I poured the dressing over the cooked cauliflower, so I'm going to taste it. It is tangy and creamy, yet with a slight peppery flavor in the aftertaste. It is creamy, so you could use it as a substitute for cheese and use instead of mayonnaise for coleslaw. It works really well and it is a tasty and healthy alternative in either case. Hope you enjoy my recipe and be healthy. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye! Bye bye!